machine at least a little bit. It's not going to get out of hand. We might see an inch, maybe an isolated 2-inch amount overnight into tomorrow morning, especially along and west of US 131. Folks, it's not about the snow, the amount of the snow. It's about the falling temperatures. It may be slippery tomorrow. And I can tell you from our assignment desk right now in the newsroom, there have been a few slide-offs out there, and we're not even into the cold air yet. So please be very careful tomorrow morning. Good evening, everybody. Nothing going on too much out there in Grand Rapids. We had a little bit of light snow. The pavement's cold enough to where it's kind of sticking and it's just sitting there and it's wet right now. We'll see a few lake effect snow showers overnight in those areas I just mentioned. Briefly colder tomorrow. Highs only in the mid-20s probably. We'll see some sunshine by the afternoon, but the Arctic air is going to be set up for one day and then it's out of here. Then 40 degrees or better with wind and maybe some rain showers as we get into later Thursday and then into the weekend. There may be even a bigger, more moisture-laden system coming in here. I got a couple of snowflakes and flurries out there on radar right now, but frankly, the Arctic air and the lake effect snow hasn't even started up yet. The other thing, the winds, 6 to 10 foot waves with lakeshore flood advisories out. These winds are at 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. They're going to be sustained at about 15 to 25 miles per hour out of the north and west. You can see that's the larger, whiter number. The G numbers are the gust numbers. Even at noontime, we have 10 to 20 mile per hour sustained winds, and these won't relax until we go through the afternoon and into about the dinner hour. You can see they come down to just single-digit wind speeds. Those numbers, by the way, were in miles per hour. Here's our current temperatures. We're above the 30-degree mark in all spots, but these temperatures are going to take a look as we pull out to a wider perspective. The cold air is not here yet. It's off to the north and west. Look at these numbers. Wausau 14, 0 at Duluth. This cold air is going to punch in here, probably scoop up a little bit of moisture from Lake Michigan and give us some lake effect snow showers along and west of US 131. Not everything is in place for heavy lake effect snow. We might get anywhere from a few tenths to an inch or so, maybe in some isolated locations a couple of inches into tomorrow morning. Not a big snowfall, but as temperatures tank, it's going to slicken up the roadway, so please be very careful. Clouds and radar movement over the last several hours shows you some snow showers that are moving through the central and southern portion of the state, and this is where the Arctic cold front is. That's going to start to kick off the lake effect snowmaking machine as we go through the overnight hours, but they should be light. As we look at our temperatures tomorrow, I think our warmest temperatures occur at midnight, probably into the 30s here, and if we're lucky, we may get back during the day with some afternoon sunshine into the mid-20s. Morning snow showers, PM sunshine, northwest winds at 5 to 15 miles per hour. Here's the weather map. We start windy tomorrow as we go through the day. Those winds will relax. High pressure builds in. That gives us some sunshine by the afternoon hours. But the clouds are going to thicken up Wednesday night into Thursday. We're going to see the winds pick up again here, and this system's going to bring us some rain, but that's not where it ends. As we go Thursday night into Friday, that cold front's going to come in here. There's the rain. Watch what happens as we pull out to a wider perspective. Friday night going into Saturday, there is another low with another slug of moisture that's going to come our way. These models have been trending this further back to the north and west, which means it wraps in warmer air, and this may be mainly all rain from Grand Rapids southward Friday night into Saturday, but there may be some ice from Grand Rapids northward, maybe even some snow. Still too early to tell, but the model trend this evening is warmer and liquid precipitation. How much are we talking about with rain? Thursday into Friday, not much, probably only a quarter to a half an inch, but watch what happens as we bring up the second slug of moisture. The European model here giving us maybe 2 or 3 inches of rain, or the possibility thereof, especially across our southern counties. I still think there may be some icing or some snow from Grand Rapids northward as we go Friday night into Saturday. So we have to wait for the models to resolve this, our forecast model. So stay tuned to later forecasts. We'll watch it. We talked about tomorrow, 41 wind, PM and nighttime rain showers there on Thursday going into Friday. That's not the heaviest rain. We're still in the mid-40s on Friday, but Friday night into Saturday, we may get a couple of inches of rain is what it looks like right now. Windy on Saturday, and then we're still in the 30s as we get into the beginning of next week. Guys, 31 is the normal high for this time of the year.